Hello everybody, today I have an exciting unboxing for you of the Apple Watch Series 3. Now this ain't mine, this is for Dad. Now of course there is a Series 5, but Dad apparently just had to go old school, so he went for this Series 3. Okay, but at least it's better than nothing, at least he's finally getting an Apple Watch. Okay, that's the positive side. Alright, so the one that we have here is the 38mm 38mm space grey, okay. This is aluminum, so I think this has a sport band in black. Now this one here comes in a long rectangular box, of course. Alright. Now if you buy the edition version, you get a square box. Okay, so but this one here you get a rectangular long box like this. Alright, so we'll cut it open with this knob, with this tool. Okay. Before I continue, I better show you the back. Okay, this is just what's all on the back, just some barcodes. There's nothing exciting about that. Now this one here, there's no peeling. Apparently you got to cut it. All right, so it's kind of the old style, probably because it's an old model. So we'll just unwrap that. All right, now with this one here, I think we just got to slide it out. Oh, we got a little tab here, so we slide it. All right, so the first thing we're greeted with is our instructions and literature. So we'll lift those out. It says designed by Apple in California. Okay, and I think the watch band is in here, so we'll pull this out and take a look. Okay, so there's the watch in there. All right, so we have Apple Watch. Okay, these are all the instructions, okay, on how to use it, which Dad will probably have to read because it's his first Apple Watch. We get some warranty information. Inside here we got our charger and of course an extension part depending on your wrist diameter. Okay, people who have wide bodies will most likely need this, but if you've got a narrow body or a muscle body, you won't need it. You can use the one that comes with here. Inside here we get our charging puck, so I'll pull this out. Okay, it comes wrapped in here. All right. Okay, so this is our charging puck. All right, right here, it's USB Type A. All right, now this is this one here is white, but if you buy a stainless steel Apple Watch, you'll get a stainless steel puck. Okay, but with this one here, we get white. So this is how you charge the watch. Okay, so you just simply plug this onto the back and you charge it. Okay. All right, now what we don't get with this is the plug. Okay, apparently because this is an old school one, you actually have to purchase the plug separately. So. But that's not a problem, as we don't really need a plug anyway, because we've got a charging block in the kitchen that we can use to charge the watch. So, or I might even buy the USB-C version of this as well, so I can plug it into our iMac and my MacBook. Okay, so here's the watch itself. Okay, it comes nicely wrapped. Now this is the one without the 4G. Okay, as it doesn't have the little red thing around the knob. Okay, so we peel that off. Okay, we'll peel this off of here, and there it is. So Dad's first Apple Watch. All right, now I can show you how the difference in the length on the band. You can see that one, it's longer. All right, so if you have a wide body, you'll most likely need it because your wrist is thicker in diameter. But if you've got a narrow body like me, you won't need it. All right, so here's the front. Okay, if you can see the square there. On the back, we have the our sensor thing. To remove these bands are very easy to remove. You just push these buttons down and then you can slide them off. All right, and on the side here we have our holes right here. So we have, I think that's the vent, and I think that's our microphone. All right, so and we have our knob or digital crown on the side, and we got our button. So I guess we'll turn this on. I think this is how you turn it on, or I think you press this. There we go. Now it's very small. This is the smallest screen that you can get on an Apple product. All right. The next size up would be the iPod Touch, which is the next size up. And the biggest you go is the 27-inch iMac. Now, I will need Dad's iPhone to set this up. All right, so I'll have to set it up. I'm going to do it off camera. All right, but for this video, we're just showing you the unboxing. Now, I think the cable you get's about 1 meter long. Okay, you can get a shorter one. Okay, so if you find this one's too long, you can probably buy a shorter one or a longer one. All right, the USB-C one comes short. Okay, so next time I go up to an Apple store or something, I might buy a shorter cable for it, so I can plug it into my MacBook or Dad's iMac. All right, yep. Okay, now it's telling me to bring the iPhone near it. Okay, we'll set this to English, Australia. All right, it's very small. Okay, and it says setting language, but I can see those letters razor clear. Okay, so this is quite cool. So this is a smartwatch as well. All right. All right. Now it's telling us to open the Apple Watch app. I'm going to do that off camera. And of course, the puck goes on the back there to charge the watch up. All right, so that is the Apple Watch Series 3 Space Grey and Black unboxing. All right, so I hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.